In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer Google Photos to another account. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, open any browser in your computer or mobile. You can follow the same process in your mobile devices as well. I will open Chrome for the sake of this video. Then on your browser, search googlephotos.com. Then enter on your keyboard. Then you will be redirected to your Google Photos website and sign in with your primary account, which photos you want to transfer to another account. So this is my account. I want to transfer all these photos to different account. So firstly, select all your photos. I will simply click on my first photo, then scroll down to the bottom until you find your last image. This is my last image. I just need to hold shift on my keyboard, then click on your last image. It will select all of your images at once. Then all we need to do is go to the top side and then click on this add icon and then click on shared album. Now it will give us this pop-up where we need to click on new shared album. Now we are redirected to this page where we need to rename our shared album. I will name it transfer. Once you rename your album, click on share on the top side. Then it will give us this pop-up where we need to enter our Gmail address where we want to share our all Google Photos. I want to share my all Google Photos to this Gmail account. Once you enter your Gmail address, you will get your Google account here. Click on your Google account and now click on this send icon just like so. Then it will share the shared album to that Google account. Now all we need to do is sign in with your second account where you want to transfer your photos. I will simply open new tab, then search here googlephotos.com, enter on your keyboard. Now you can see this was my first account. I want to transfer these photos to my another account. I will simply open that account. This was the account. I will simply click on it and then you can see nothing is here because I haven't uploaded any photos to this account. And you can see this one notification on sharing. I just need to click on it and after that you can see transfer shared album is here, which I shared on my account. I just need to click on this and then click on this icon which is save photos. After that it will save all of our photos from first account to my new account. Now if I go to back and click on photos, you can see all of the photos are transferred to my new account from previous account. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.